Good morning. We are about to head out. They're doing something special for the soldiers, and I think it has something to do with food and classes and things to prepare everyone for this deployment. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. And I hope you guys watched yesterday's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Yep, I'm saying all this right now in the intro because I forget, and that's not good. Even though it's already put at the end, I still should say it, so I'm saying it now. Don't judge me. What else is that going on? I think that's all. It's raining, it's cold, but we're gonna be on the inside. That's a good thing. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hello everyone. So today turned out to be a solo and just boring day because it rained and it's cold. It's too cold to be going in and out to do anything. I didn't get to record at the little thing they did for the soldiers. But they were just like informing us on what steps to take. If you're military, you know how it goes. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. This is what happens when you have a baby that eats up your food. I was holding her on this arm, and look at that. Anyway, I just noticed it in the camera. If you watch yesterday's video, you will see that aubriee is actually trying to walk. Now, this is her third attempt to walk, and she's not confident. But her shoes that she have now, because her grandma and C-Pop got her some shoes while they were here. And hold on a second, y'all. Penny, don't get on my sofa. Y'all know how my relationship is with Penny. It's a love-hate relationship. I love her because she's still here, but I can't stand her. But so she got new shoes, and so she we tried on different ones. The ones that she has on in the video, she already had, and her feet are finally starting to grow in them, so she's able to walk a little bit better. And then today she tried again, and she had her little boots on. Y'all can see her little cute boots. She had her little boots on, and she was walking. But yeah, I'm so proud of her. I'm so excited about her actually walking and tearing up my house, because that's what's gonna happen. Because that's what she does, crawling. Tears up the house for her to be so little. Yeah. Yesterday, Joy is leaving. And we gotta stay busy so that I'm not sitting in the house moping, because that's normally what I do when she deploys, unless I got something to occupy me. And right now I have aubriee to keep me busy and moving around. And I'll just please check on your girl. Make sure she alright every now and then, whether it be, like I said, through Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. I don't even think, can you send messages through Pinterest? I don't really know how Pinterest works, except for putting pictures up and copying pictures and saving stuff. That's all I know. Twitter. Let's go check out the website, studs.space. 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 check it out. We got some really nice t-shirts on there, and I hope to bring you more. I just don't want to stick with one thing. I like a lot of different stuff, and so my mind is always wondering. And if, you know, I come across any ideas, I put stuff together and make a shirt for y'all. Because guess what? They're cool slogans and sayings and graphics that I put together myself. So please do go check out the site. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Let's see. We're at 170. If I hit 200 by New Year's. Yeah, I see that being very possible. It's 30 subscribers. Get 30 more subscribers by New Year's. Once I pick the person who won, I will get them a Hawk Family Journey t-shirt. We have a new t-shirt coming out. We have a t-shirt on the site, but I also have one that isn't up on the site yet, and whoever wins that will be the first person to have that shirt, because I haven't put it on the site at all, so no one knows what it looks like. I don't even think Joy knows what it looks like, but yeah, we could do that. 200 subscribers by New Year's Day. Yeah. Okay, I'm going for real this time. I'm thinking, and I feel like I failed y'all today, but y'all understand. I got kids. Can't have them out in their weather like that. Well, I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah, get it. Go Aubree, go Aubree, go Aubree, go Aubree, go Aubree, go Aubree. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Aubree, focus. Come on. Or don't focus. Come on. Well, I'm about to call it a night. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Say good night. Say goodbye, Aubree.